Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the short in Bollinger Band downtrend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the short in Bollinger Band downtrend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 37 different strategies, with 10 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 459 indicators, with 190 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators on the Forex market, but they can be used on Forex, crypto, the regular stock market, whatever market you wish to apply them to, not just Forex. All right, so today's indicator is the short in Bollinger Band downtrend indicator. And you can see it here on screen. It's basically Bollinger Band turned into kind of a self-sustained little strategy that looks for short opportunities. And so even though we don't generally like to take one direction and only one direction, it is nice to obviously have an indicator or system that can take both sides of the market, whether it's down or up in a trend. Obviously, we are going to test this one to see what it can do. I mean, something is better than nothing, and if all you did was just take shorts and were able to be extremely profitable, then that could be a very great thing. So obviously, we see these tags here that say short, and that's really what we are looking for. Is when we get these little short tags right here, we are going to go short. And so that's what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal we got was a short. Well, I guess they're all going to be shorts, but this short right here, this first signal that we got, it painted the signal, and almost immediately we got to push back to the upside pretty heavily, and that did stop us out. Now, it's interesting to note that this indicator does seem to have its own stop signals and what appears to be take profit I'm guessing by this TR here. And so then we pick up the second short signal right here. That one drops down really nicely, getting us to take profit. And so just like the signals here, the first one got us stopped out, the second one got us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we picked up another signal right here. We got a pretty decent little pullback to the upside as soon as that signal took place. Barely misses our stop, even though it calls a stop on the indicator itself. We were able to kind of skirt that stop, keep from taking a loss on that one, right as price action rolls over and starts to push back down. Gives us that other short, but we would have already been in one, which then it comes down and gets us to take profit right here, like this little tag says. Then over here, we pick up this short right here, and you can see that it pushes down really nicely, also getting us to take profit with the little take profit tag there. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as our win rates. I recently just had that all transferred over into an Excel sheet as well, so you'll get the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, so that way it makes it a little bit easier to analyze that data. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to his scanner, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to see, take advantage of those trading opportunities. Another new thing that we are doing is one of our members, one of our patrons, has put together an excellent team of experienced traders, programmers, and coders, and they are building a full suite of highly profitable indicators that have been tested and tweaked and revamped, and they are giving those away free for all of our patrons to be able to use and test and play around with. They're eventually going to turn these into trading bots, which our patrons will also have access to. And so there is a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's take a look at our indicator here, see what we get out of this. All right, there to there. There we go. All right, so let's add these up and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 signals all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades. So that is a very decent number. That definitely meets the 60% criteria. This indicator did really well, really well. Like I said, it only gives shorts. That is a little bit of a downfall. Didn't give a whole bunch of signals in 1 year's time. Only 7. Definitely would have been nice if this thing could have done shorts and long signals. But for those of you who might be struggling just kind of break even or kind of tread water, this might be a decent indicator just for taking short opportunities. And so this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.